So, hello, Professor. My name is Sherzod, and this is our project. The project name is Internet of Things based surveillance of elderly grandparents. So our team names is Uzbek Coders. So the next slide will present Jawahir.
Okay, it's our team. Hello, Professor again. The first member of our team is Jamshid Tursunov. Second one, Ludash Nuruddin. Third one, Alokov Sherzod. And me, Jawahir Ziudin. Actually, we divided to this project, and me and Sherzod was responsible for developing of idea of the project and understanding all problems regarding of this project. And Tuldash Nuruddin Jamshid Tursunov was responsible for execution of the programming code to accomplish this project. After that, me and Sherzod Alakulov gathered together and write a report and draw this nice presentation.
So let's say about. Let's look at the introduction of our project. So nowadays, fewer people live with their old parents around the world, and not every country has a home for the elderly. To safeguard the safety of these old individuals, we decided to work with the team to develop a project that will help to monitor them and alert them if they are in danger. So next slide will talk Jamshid.
So hi again, hi Professor and team members. So let's talk about the goal of our project. The main purpose, the main aim of our project is to develop a software that will monitor parents and child and inform about their status if they are in event of danger. So please next slide. So in our software application has some project requirements and main functions. So it should first detect the person. It should consider the person as an object, and after it should recognize person's actions. So a person may stand up, it can walk, it can run, and it can fall down, and it should evenly recognize it's falling down, it's dangerous. So it should detect objects actions. So after it should check person's parameters, as person may have heartbeat and some other actions of its body. After that, our application should send notification to the person who is controlling them. So by sending notification, system can inform object status. Please next.
Okay, what about implementation? In order to implement this project, we use OpenCV library to process the video, and we use like hot detection functions to determine person as an object. Like, what about our architecture? If you see like in sensor enclaving, we have like camera, smartwatches, water temperature sensor, and audio sensor. We use camera like in ordinary rooms, and we use like audio sensors in the bathroom and the toilet because we cannot install here the video camera. After that, we use like smartwatches to detect the parameters of the body, like heartbeat. And after that, we like have like water temperature sensor. For example, like elder people is dimension sometimes forgot what is the hot water, what is the cold water. In this case, we use like water temperature sensor. After this, all of our sensors sending data to our IoT gateway in our fog level, computing level. And finally, it's processed in the server in the cloud computing level. Adam? Okay, Nordin, we continue.
So here you can see our code, which written within the Python. We use OpenCV, as mentioned, Jawahir and Jamshid, and also we used utils to work with the images. I mean, the frames of the video. So after reading the frame, we are detecting regions where is the motion goes. So we draw it and just find that our person is there now. So please, next slide. For the current time, we have done detecting the person in the camera. So near the future, we wanna create the recognize person's actions, also check person's parameters and notification it via Telegram bot.
Okay, what about further steps? Like, if you see, we have just like implemented a small part of this big project because we have some like limitations of the time, knowledge, and proficiency. However, in the future, we can try to gather all puzzles of this project and launch this project. So in future, we are going to add several functions and features like recognize the person actions, check person's parameters, and send notifications to the monitoring person. Okay, thank you very much, Professor, for your course.